In this video, we will be demonstrating how to properly use and set up the CCELL capping jig system with the classic M6T press fit style cartridges. This jig system was designed to improve manufacturing efficiency, allowing you to fill and cap up to 50 cartridges at a time with the use of an industrial style press. The M6T cartridge is available in half and full gram sizes with a variety of mouthpiece options available. All CCELL hardware can be customized to showcase your brand and help your product stand out in the market. Reach out to learn more about customization and branding options. The M6T hardware is available with an optional 50 count foam tray packout to ensure the cartridges are filled and capped quickly and efficiently. Be sure to indicate that you would like your hardware packaged in this configuration when you place your order. The press fit M6T capping jig system is simple and easy to use. You'll need an industrial style press with a minimum capping force of 5 tons to cap 50 cartridges at a time. Take out one 50 count tray and load it onto the bottom plate of the capping jig system. Press down lightly on the cartridges to ensure that they are properly aligned with the bottom plate. Next, place the positioning plate over the cartridges and press down until the plate is resting on top of the cartridge. The top side of the positioning plate is clearly labeled. This positioning plate ensures that the cartridges are properly aligned for use with automated filling systems. If you're filling by hand or with certain semi-automatic filling machines, the positioning plate may not be necessary. In general, filled hardware should be capped within 3 minutes to avoid issues with leakage, but thinner extracts may need to be capped faster. Make sure you have everything set up and ready to go before you start filling. Fill your hardware with your extract. Be sure not to exceed the maximum fill capacity of the hardware during filling. Once the cartridges have been filled, remove the positioning plate. Place the spacer tray over the cartridges. Make sure that the spacer tray matches the hardware configuration that you're using. Each spacer tray is clearly labeled with the hardware configuration and correct orientation. Place the preloaded mouthpiece tray on top of the capping jig and press down gently, taking care to ensure that the mouthpieces are properly aligned before pressing. Align the top plate with the capping jig and place the assembly in your press. After capping, inspect all of the cartridges to ensure that the mouthpieces are fully seated. If you have some of the cartridges did not cap properly, you may need to adjust your press settings and use more force during capping to ensure that the mouthpieces are properly seated. To discuss this system's compatibility with your machines, how CCELL can help you improve efficiency in your operations, and why CCELL is the #1 most trusted name in vaporizer hardware, reach out to your sales representative and set up a call with our dedicated customer solutions team.